Hello, my name is Cristian Lecraru and I am the Educational Director at Shape Robotics. I am very glad to be here with you to get to know Thinken. Next to me, it's an entire mobile STEAM laboratory. And today, together, we will explore what Thinken is and how it can be integrated into schools. So what is Thinken? Thinken is a versatile mobile cart equipped with advanced educational technologies. Thinken can transform any space into a borderless classroom. Thinken can be used in a classroom. Thinken can be used in a library, and Thinken can be used even in a schoolyard. Thinken is made of metal, durable, yet easy to transport thanks to its wheeled system. It can be quickly moved to another classroom. All you need is to plug into a power source. Let's take a look at its back. Access is secured thanks to the pin code keyboard. This is necessary because we can store our equipment inside. Each teacher can set their own code. Access to equipment is easy due to the sliding shelves and the magnetic system. And Thinken is a charger. All equipment can be charged. So when we start the lesson, we don't have to worry about batteries. And the thermostat maintains the optimal temperature inside. Thinken is equipped with an interactive display and an advanced audio-video solution. Let me show you now how easy it is to connect with a school or educational center with a similar technology. Hello, Alexandra!
Hello, Cristian! Thank you for inviting us to another webinar. It's great that we have tools that allow us to connect instantly with such excellent audio and video quality. I hope to learn as much as possible about Thinken today.
Thank you! Stay tuned because you will find interesting information not just about Thinken, but also about educational resources related.
Good luck!
Thinken is equipped with the most famous educational robots, Fable. Because of its magnetical system, you can build any structure in seconds. On the next shelf, we can find VR headsets, special produced for educational purpose. In these dedicated places for storage and charging, each institution has the possibility to deposit their own devices. Thinken can be used at all academic levels from kindergarten to university, and that's because of its height adjustable display. You can lift it up or down, making it accessible for everybody, including students with motor problems. Another feature of inclusivity you can find in Fable Blockly software, where students with dyslexia and visual impairments can work together with their peers during the same lesson.
One. Good job.
Last but not least, we invite you to discover our educational resources. 36 interdisciplinary lessons for a smart lab, a coding library with 100 coding sequences, and a practical guide for humanities teaching. With all these materials, you are ready to integrate Thinken from your first lesson. We wish you to enjoy teaching with our mobile, inclusive STEAM lab.